So, Samsung's next fan edition phone might be one of its boldest moves or its biggest gamble yet. The Galaxy S25 FE isn't just another mid-range refresh, it's shaping up to be a serious wildcard. And the leaks? Oh, they're spicy. We're talking potential flagship-level upgrades, a major chip plot twist, and AI features that could make you forget you're even holding a budget phone. But wait till you hear what Samsung's really cooking behind the scenes, because this could be way more than just a fan favorite. Welcome back, viewers. James here. If you're into juicy tech scoops and no-fluff breakdowns, hit like, share this with your fellow phone nerds, and subscribe for more weekly drops. Now buckle up. This is gonna get interesting. Let's start with the brain of the beast, the chipset. Early rumors had us thinking, yup, another round of the Exynos 2400, the same chip found in last year's FE. Not exactly thrilling, but then came whispers of a MediaTek Dimensity 9400 stepping in, and that raised eyebrows. Why? Because it could actually outperform Exynos in certain tasks. But hold on, a newer leak says Samsung might skip both and throw in the Exynos 2500 instead. You heard right, the same 3nm chip expected to debut in next-gen flagships. If that happens, the S25 FE could go from solid budget options to secret flagship killer real fast. But that's just the start. AI is getting a huge glow-up, and the S25 FE might inherit some ultra-level magic. Picture this, your lock screen updates in real time, showing you what's next on your calendar or commute without lifting a finger. New widgets called Now Bar and Now Brief are coming, and they basically think ahead for you. There's also Audio Eraser, which can scrub background noise from your videos like it never existed. Want to turn your doodles into legit artwork? Drawing Assist has your back. And Circle to Search, it's not just recognizing objects anymore, it can now dig out phone numbers, email addresses, even URLs buried in screenshots. No need for cloud connections either. Samsung's baking generative AI into the device itself. Privacy win? Absolutely. Now multitasking, Samsung's always been good at it, but this time it's going wild. The new multimodal search could let you combine voice, text, and images to get lightning-fast results. Imagine telling your phone, find that photo I sent John last week, and it just does it. Smart things might finally feel, well, smart, especially with AI predicting your routines. And get this, real-time translations for phone calls. You speak your language, they hear theirs. Perfect for travel or cross-border deals. And yes, we've got UI upgrades on the way. One UI 7 is coming baked into Android 16, and it's promising more customization, smoother animations, and fingers crossed, fewer pre-installed apps eating up your space. But let's be real, this is still the fan edition. Samsung's probably gonna shave off a few features to keep the price in check. Maybe slower charging, maybe less premium materials. But even a toned-down S25 FE could easily feel dangerously close to flagship territory, especially if that Exynos 2500 rumor pans out. And here's a twist nobody saw coming. The S25 FE might launch after the Z Flip FE. Samsung's working on a foldable fan edition too. If both phones run the same Exynos 2400 chip, Samsung might be signaling full commitment to its in-house silicon. Big risk? Maybe. But it also means Samsung's confident in its new chip game. Design-wise, don't expect a revolution, but refinement? Definitely. Leaks suggest a thinner, lighter build, trimmed bezels, and a more polished look overall. Sleek, not cheap. Now if you're wondering when all this is happening, firmware development has already kicked off. The model number SMS731U just popped up in the US database. Translation, Samsung's building the foundation, and we're likely seeing a late 2025 or early 2026 release. And with Samsung now offering 7 years of Android updates, this could be one of the best long-term investments in its class. Solid software, impressive AI, and a chipset mystery that could turn heads, the Galaxy S25 FE is anything but predictable. So what do you think? Is Samsung finally getting the FE formula right, or are we setting ourselves up for another round of mid-range disappointment? Hit the comments. I want to hear your hot takes. That's all for today. Like, share, and hit that subscribe button if you want more epic tech deep dives just like this. Until next time, stay curious, stay hyped, and I'll see you in the next one.